Hello, engineers and creative minds. Waving hand today, we're about to take an exciting journey together, a journey that will transform your 2D drawings into 3D models, completely automated and hassle-free.
Hello everyone, I'm Masoud from Masoud Structural Studio. We select layer of foundation and link concrete and opening for foundation, opening of foundation and opening of link concrete. We select this layer and we copy and paste in another WG file and close AutoCAD software. In Revit model we select on insert and select link and then select this DWG file. This file consists of foundation layer and link concrete layer and opening of and foundation opening and opening of link concrete.